What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be breaking down a trade I took on USD CHF, and just to prove to you this is a trade I took and I'm not analyzing the market after the fact, here's when I posted my entry as well as after the trade completed. So let's go ahead and break down this trade. So the first thing that you'll notice is that on the 1 minute time frame, USD CHF was in an uptrend. We're producing higher lows, higher high. Then we create this same low a few times right here. Then we get our next high right here, and then price revisits the previous low once again. But the first sign that I noticed that price may be changing structure is when we failed to create a new higher high in this area right here. For the trend to continue going up, we need to push past the previous high, which is right here, and that didn't happen. Price fell short of doing that. So when that happened, I started taking a closer look at this pair. And as soon as this drop right here happened, I also noticed that we have now a reversal pattern, which is a head and shoulders. So we have the left shoulder here, the head of that pattern here, and then the right shoulder here. So after I saw that, I simply waited for price to retest the neckline of this pattern, which is right here, to confirm that this pattern is valid and that price isn't just building liquidity and going to continue going up. So we did end up getting that retest right here in price, but unfortunately I wasn't looking at the chart when this retest happened, so I had to wait for the next most opportune entry, which was the next pullback, which happened right here with these three dojis. So when I saw those, I went ahead and entered my trade. My stop loss is simply just above the most relevant high right here. Very, very simple. If price goes really anywhere past this area, then I know my trade's no longer valid. So there's really no point for my stop loss to be anywhere else. I just want to get out of the trade as fast as possible if I'm wrong. As far as my take profit, I put it at the most relevant low, which is down here in this area. Now, technically, this right here is my most relevant low from my entry, but if we look at the stop loss compared to what the take profit would be if I put my take profit here, that is a negative risk to reward ratio, so that doesn't really make a lot of sense for me to take that trade. So I went ahead and put my take profit at the next most relevant low, which is over there. So this was a super simple trade. Usually I look for the structure break on the hour, but this time I happened to catch it on the 1 minute completely. But overall, it's the same exact way that I always trade. Very simple. If you guys have any questions about anything that I showed you in this video, or you need help with anything, don't forget to drop a comment below and I will be more than happy to help you out. With that being said, I will catch y'all in the next one.